Hello and welcome to Media Arts Virtual Edition. I'm your host and instructor, Miss Sarah. Let's get started. Today we're going to create photospheres or mini planets using an app with a lot of creative possibilities. Let's meet the app. The app is called Tiny Planet Pro. It's free and you can create really cool visual effects with it. The Tiny Planet Pro works by remapping latitude and longitude values from a spherical image to a flat image. And we're going to see what that looks like right now. You'll need a phone or tablet with the app, and of course photos. You don't have to have panoramic photos. You can do landscape photos, or you can just do photos around your neighborhood, nature photos. I'm going to work with photos of flowers. This is the main screen. All your options are going to be on the left side of the app. So you're going to start by clicking Open Image, and that'll bring you to your library of photos. I'm going to pick one with our flowers from our nature walk. Again, getting outside, getting fresh air is good. Might as well take some pretty photos. I'm gonna pick one of these, and it automatically goes into the app. And then you have a lot of different options. So we're gonna click on the first one, and as you can see, there's a nice question mark in the upper right corner, and that's going to give you more details of what this app is actually doing. So you can read up and learn about the science behind how the app is able to bend and manipulate your photo. So on the left side of the screen, you can move around this little globe, and as you can see, it changes your photo on the right. So on the right is going to be what the photo is going to look like. We're going to go to the next one, and you can really create your planet, or if you don't want a planet effect, that's fine as well. But you can manipulate all these different points. You can add a point as well. And if you want to know what exactly you're doing, what you're bending, you can click on that question mark, and it tells you exactly what those buttons are doing to your photo. Click on the question mark to get out of there. The only drawback of this app is there's no undo button. So if you make a mistake, don't want something, you can try to undo it by manipulating the buttons back, but there is no undo button. So if you make a mistake and you absolutely don't like it, then you'll have to start over. So that looks pretty cool. And then we'll go to the zoom. You can click on the slider to go up and down. It pretty much does exactly what it means. Rotate is exactly what it sounds like. And repeat, so it goes from 1 to 8, and it's kind of like a kaleidoscope effect. So if you like that, if you don't like that, just go back to 1. And then shape, so you can have more control over what your image is going to stand out to be like, and you can change and manipulate different aspects of the frame. Last one is move center. So this one's pretty interesting because you can totally change the overall effect of your photo. So by just pressing the middle and dragging things over, you can move things, and I think I like it when it's dragged to the lower right corner. I think that looks pretty cool. Again, you can undo it just by dragging it back to where you first started, but I think I like that. So you're going to go back, and so those are your options. And then when you're done, again, you can go back and change things around and get more of that sky. I think that looks pretty cool. When you're completely happy with your look, you can click on Save to Gallery, and it will save to your photo gallery. If you like those hard lines, I'll show you how to smooth those out with another app. So we're gonna leave this app. We're gonna go to Photo Editor, which we've seen before in a previous episode. We're gonna go to Camera Roll, click on that photo we just used, Classic Editor, and then you can use a tool called Blur and use your finger to blur out those harsh lines. Again, you don't have to do this, but if you want it more smooth, you have that option. And in this application, you can undo by just pressing cancel, or if you like what that's doing, you can press apply and then done, and then it automatically saves. There you go. That's the Mini Planet Pro app. It has lots of different possibilities. You can turn one photo into so many different looks. So please experiment and make some really cool photos and make your own little planets. So feel free to share any of your beautiful artwork with us. Have your parent email media@teenprimetime.org if you'd like to share it, and we can put it up on our Teen Primetime website and YouTube channel. So please be creative every day, and we'll see you next time with more Media Arts Virtual Edition.